6 months in the Hamilton County Justice Center. Credit 1 day. Mr. or Ms. Deputy can take her away.
A courtroom erupts into a crazy scene when a judge orders former juvenile court judge Tracie Hunter to jail. Good evening, everyone. I'm Cammie Dierking.
And I'm Kyle Inskeep. After nearly 5 years of unsuccessful appeals, Tracie Hunter is now serving her sentence in the Hamilton County Justice Center. And she had to be dragged across the courtroom to be taken to jail.
But in a strange twist, she could get out if Governor DeWine gets involved at the request of Hamilton County's prosecutor. Anjanette Levy is live at the Hamilton County Justice Center with more on that and also a boycott that Hunter's supporters are planning. Anjanette.
Well, Cammie, it certainly was a day of high drama at the courthouse. Tracie Hunter had hoped to go home. Right now, she's here at the Hamilton County Jail serving her sentence. And in a strange twist, Hamilton County's prosecutor says he wants her released.
God, she receives what is righteous. She receives justice.
Tracie Hunter's supporters prayed that she'd be able to go home. But inside the courtroom, it was clear that wouldn't happen.
Judge Hunter has gotten up each morning not knowing whether that was going to be the day that she was going to have to go to jail.
Hunter's attorney, David Singleton, called Hunter's sentence unjust and said she didn't break the law when she gave paperwork to her brother to help him in an employment dispute. Retired Judge Norbert Nadel sentenced Hunter to 6 months in jail nearly 5 years ago. She's lost every appeal to date. Now Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters has asked Governor DeWine to look at options for commuting Hunter's sentence.
I think that in the scope of prisoners we have in the Justice Center today, in the global perspective, Tracie Hunter is not a threat to society. She's not violent.
Dieters asked years ago that special prosecutors be assigned to handle the case against Hunter. The case has stoked outrage in the African American community and become a long legal soap opera. An overflow crowd watched today's hearing in the hallway on their phones. Judge Patrick Dinkelacker inherited the case. He said 45 postcards were mailed to his home demanding he exonerate Hunter.
So no other judge should go through what I've gone through with these Facebook postings by certain people and whatever.
The special prosecutor in the case also spoke about Hunter.
What she wants is to control the facts. What she wants to do is write the law. And what she wants to do is play by her own set of rules right up until today.
Then, without warning, she walked to the podium.
What are we doing here, Mr. Singleton?
I'm sorry, Judge.
I gave her an opportunity to speak, and that was turned down. It's not being offered now. Please have a seat.
So you're denying my right as a defendant to address the court?
Ma'am, please have a seat.
I just want to make sure. Thank you.
And moments later,
Mr. or Ms. Deputy can take her away.
Hunter's supporters promise retribution for what they see as an attack on an African American woman.
They're going to pay a heavy price for it. It's just that simple. That would be an economic slowdown, if you want to call it boycott, of the city of Cincinnati.
And Judge Dinkelacker was actually executing the sentence that Norbert Nadel had handed down almost 5 years ago. We just wanted to mention that again. Mayor John Cranley actually sent a letter to Judge Dinkelacker today asking him to not impose this sentence. Mayor Cranley has also spoken to Governor DeWine. We received a letter from him today. He outlined that his concerns about Tracie Hunter in that letter to the governor. I reached out to the governor's office earlier today. They said that they had spoken with Joe Dieters about this issue, but they have not yet received a commutation petition from Tracie Hunter, and I can tell you that her lawyer was here just a short time ago coming to see her at the jail, and he wouldn't comment any further on what he was doing here, but he obviously was visiting his client, so we'll keep tabs on this for you. Reporting live at the Justice Center, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News. Cammie, back to you.
All right, Anjanette, thank you. The legal proceedings for Judge Tracie Hunter have stretched out for 5 years. In October of 2014, she was put on trial for 9 counts. The jury convicted her of 1 count, unlawful interest in a public contract. The jury could not reach a verdict on the other counts. In January of 2016, as a second trial was scheduled to begin, the special prosecutor announced the remaining 8 felony charges against Hunter would be dismissed, and that began the appeals process. A state appellate court upheld her conviction, and the Ohio Supreme Court declined to review the lower court's decision. Then Hunter's attorneys took her case to federal court, and she stayed out of jail while those appeals were heard. In May, a district judge ruled that Hunter had received a fair trial and that her 6-month jail sentence could move forward.